Hi guys, welcome back for another video. This client came to me to tint his back window, and the first thing that I noticed are this glue residue. What I also noticed is that the defroster in some portions is brighter. First thing, I asked the client if this car was previously tinted. He said yes, but the tint had air bubbles and he took the decision to remove the tint. I asked him how he removed it. He said that he just pulled the tint down. He didn't use any heat, any steam or some solution. And what he did, he damaged the window. Now, I told him that to replace a window, it will cost him like 400 euros. But he said remove completely the defroster lines with a razor blade and just tint the window. Now I will charge him like 40 euros extra because I need to scrape down all the defroster lines. Now let's tint this window. Took me almost 2 hours to remove all the glue residue from the outer tint. If you want to remove tint from the car, go to a professional and do some research before you start. And this was it. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another video. Bye.